Welcome everyone. We will start NCERT Class 7 Geography, second chapter Inside the Earth, subunit Rocks and Minerals and Types of Rocks. Rocks or minerals are found on the Earth's surface. So, what are minerals? Minerals are the chemical compounds having definite chemical formula. For an example, quartz. What are rocks? Rocks are combination of minerals. When certain minerals are combined together in certain composition, they are known as particular type of rock. Now, the difference between minerals and rocks. Minerals are compound of elements, whereas rocks are mixture of minerals. Minerals have specific chemical formula, whereas rocks do not have any specific chemical formula. Most of the minerals have defined structure. Rocks generally do not have any defined structure. Minerals are identified on the basis of various properties such as resistance, color, luster, etc. But rocks are identified on the basis of minerals combination only. What is an ore? The economic minerals from which we extract metals are termed as ore of that metal. For an example, bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Now we will talk about use of minerals. Minerals can be used in different way. Expensive minerals such as diamond, gold, silver, etc. are used in making of ornaments. Fuel minerals such as oil, uranium, etc. are used in generation of electricity and in transport sector. Many minerals are used in industrial raw materials. For an example, talc. Talc is an economic mineral used for preparation of talcum powder. Now we will talk about the uses of rocks. Rocks are very important for us. Rocks are used as building material for the construction of houses, roads, etc. Rocks form the base material for the formation of soil. Rocks are used as industrial raw materials. For an example, limestone. Petroleum is found in the layers of the sedimentary rocks. It provides fuel to various modes of transportation. Now we will talk about types of rocks. Rocks are generally classified into three major groups. Number 1, igneous rock. Number 2, secondary rock. Number 3, metamorphic rock. So first we will talk about igneous rock. The Latin word ignis means fire. So what is igneous rock? Igneous rocks are formed due to the solidification of lava or can say magma, either on the earth's surface or below the earth's surface. As these rocks are formed first in the rock cycle, these are termed as primary rocks. That means igneous rocks are termed as primary rocks. What are the characteristics of igneous rock? Igneous rocks are formed due to solidification of lava. Next, these are hard and resist to erosion. Therefore, they are more durable. Next, these rocks do not contain fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. just because igneous rocks formed due to the solidification of lava and magma only. There are two types of igneous rock. Number 1, extrusive igneous rock. Number 2, intrusive igneous rock. So what do you mean by extrusive igneous rock? These are formed on the earth's surface due to the rapid cooling process of lava. For an example, basalt, gabbro, etc. Next we have intrusive igneous rock. These type of rocks are formed due to the solidification of magma just below the earth's surface. For an example, seal, dike, etc. Now we will talk about sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are also termed as secondary rock, just because these rocks are formed after the formation of primary rocks, that is igneous rock. Igneous and the other type of rocks are eroded by the glacier, river, wind, etc. Afterwards, the particles, that means the eroded particles of these rocks, are transported and deposited in the parallel layer one upon the other over a period of time. These layers become compact and cemented together and form sedimentary rock. The example of the sedimentary rocks are sandstone, mudstone, limestone, etc. So, what are the characteristics of sedimentary rocks? Number 1. These rocks are termed as layered or stratified rock, as they display many layers in them. Next, fossils of plants and animals are found in this rock. That's why sedimentary rocks contain fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum, etc. Mostly sedimentary rocks are porous in nature. Now we will talk about metamorphic rock. So, what do you mean by metamorphic rock? Metamorphic rocks are such kind of rock which can be formed by the help of temperature and heavy pressure. That means metamorphic rocks are the pre-existing igneous or the sedimentary rocks which undergo the process of metamorphism or alteration. Such metamorphism take place due to the high temperature and high pressure exerted on this rock. The word metamorphism means change of form. For an example, contact metamorphism. The rocks which come in contact with the hot molten magma are metamorphosed and are converted into metamorphic rock. In the next video, we will show you the different rocks, their formation and the structure of the earth. Hope in this part there is no problem. Thank you everyone.